Hey, y'all, don't adjust your television sets. Got the Deen brothers in Mama's kitchen this morning.
Or you might want to, actually.
We're doing a fruit salad. Now, Mom does a delicious fruit salad.
That's right. Bag Lady Days, do you remember?
Mm-hmm. And she serves it with a custard.
And we're gonna do, this fruit salad is gonna have a topping as well, but it's gonna be a little different than that.
We're doing a fruit salad with a cream cheese pecan topping.
Right now I'm cutting fresh strawberries and some green grapes, got blueberries and some fresh blackberries and 1 star fruit and a cantaloupe. And I'm gonna use 2 cups of everything except for the blackberries where we're gonna use about a cup of those. We're from the southwest corner of the state of Georgia and blackberries are just everywhere down there, but you gotta be careful picking them because rattlesnakes live in the blackberry bushes.
Well, that's what Mama always told us.
No, it's true. I seen them.
So a blackberry bush was like the coolest bonus for us. If you got blackberries growing in your yard, I mean, that's like this fruit is good for you. Good for you, healthy. It's got a bunch of sugar in it too. So it's like candy that grows in the yard. Okay, I'm gonna take my pecans. It's about a 1/2 cup. I'm gonna take a 1/2 cup of whipping cream. We used to get blackberries at Grandmama Paula's house, and her neighbor, remember Mr. Carr, had strawberry bushes.
I do. We used to pick all kinds of, and that's one of the good things about living in the South is you can just pick a lot of stuff right fresh out of the ground. And I remember Granny Paula having the best vegetable garden.
Yeah. And our Uncle Bob down in Florida had orange and grapefruit trees.
That's right.
I've got 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. I'm gonna use this whole package of cream cheese. This is 8 ounces of cream cheese. And we always have pecan trees too, and pecans is gonna be something that Jack remembers. We've got some pecan trees in the yard, and Jack loves to go out. He thinks it's the neatest thing, that he can find them, crack them, and then eat them. Okay, I'm gonna turn this all together.
Now that cream cheese, I'm sure, is softened, right?
Yeah.
And that means I can try it, right?
What do you think?
Ooh,
Isn't that good?
very good. Very good. Very, very good.
Okay.
I like that.
Bobby, I've got this all turned up. I wanna add a little bit of lemon juice.
Okay.
This is about 2 tablespoons.
Golly. Who don't love a blackberry?
This is a pretty juicy lemon. I think I got 2 tablespoons out of there and about 900 seeds. I gotta get a spoon.
All right. Just gonna cube this cantaloupe.
Mama used to tell us when we were boys that if you ate the seeds out of something, that you'd grow trees out of your ears. Remember?
Is that not true?
Yeah. Turn this a couple more times. The lemon juice makes it really smooth. That's a little bit of liquid in there that keeps it from being like stiffened cream cheese.
Cantaloupe is delicious.
Also adds a little bit of that citrus flavor. It's gonna marry it up with our fruit really well. Okay, I'm gonna help you cut this star fruit.
This is one of our best sellers when we started the Bag Lady. It'd be summertime and we'd be running our routes all over Savannah, and I just remember these beautiful fresh fruit salads that Mama made, and people love them so much. And this is about
It's called a spoon, y'all. Watch this. It's ingenious. It's the older brothers.
Yeah.
The older brothers.
Wiser.
Yes, sir. Okay, now we're gonna put this into a really pretty dish for Mom. It's a beautiful salad. Now you can put anything you want to in here. I think orange wheels are really pretty and really easy to do. That looks great.
So fresh. Now for the goods.
Yeah, let's get this right. Right on top.
That looks beautiful. And speaking of lemon juice, I think if you wanted to squeeze a little bit of fresh lemon on that, you could to let that fruit hold, right?
Yeah, if you wanted to, that's a good trick. If you're working with fresh fruit, you can put lemon juice on them and it'll keep them from turning brown.
Wow, that looks great.
Yeah, see, I'm gonna garnish with just a couple of nuts right on top. Gorgeous.
Looks great.
I'm gonna taste it. I'm gonna try the theory of the star fruit gets better with cream cheese and sugar. I'm sure it does.
So good.
This reminds me, guys, of the fruit salads we used to make for the Bag Lady.
That's exactly
That's
what
what
I
we're talking about.
Only we did the French custard. What kind of topping did y'all make for the fruit?
Cream cheese and pecan.
Not good.
Oh, it looks yummy.
Get that blackberry right now.
Yes, get in there and get you some.
Well, we're glad you enjoyed your breakfast,
Oh
Mom.
my gosh, what a wonderful surprise. This is delicious. I am like the luckiest woman in the world.
Well, we had a lot of fun doing it
I've
for
got two of the sweetest sons that God ever put breath in. And, you know, it's a bonus. Y'all can cook.
Well, thanks for having us. We're glad to do it.
you. Well, Jamie, good work.
Thanks, bro.
Yep.
Have fun. And thanks, y'all, for tuning in.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.